Hi everyone, this is Richard. Did you ever see in somebody's code this.x equals x, this.y equals y, or something like that? What does that actually mean, right? So this got me for the longest time, but once I explain it, I think it's pretty simple. So let's create, okay, this is a class, dog, and it's got fur color and color. So when I introduce through the constructor, dog brown, it goes to the constructor, creates color, and it gives the fur color property color, right? And so it is brown. Pretty straightforward. But what we're doing, what happens if we have a number of constructors and a number of arguments and parameters, right? So it's a number of them. You start to have to keep track of these variable names, and it gets a little annoying after a while. So what it would be nice to do is simplify it. So instead of fur color equals color, this is color, you would be able to just look at it and say it's the same variable. Okay, what do I mean by that? What if I just said, okay, fur color, why don't I just do this? String fur color and be done with this. So this fur color would be that fur color. Well, there's a problem, right? You introduce this value, it's right inside of here. So what is this value itself? So this value is a parameter, right? But as soon as you get out of the brackets, it gets deleted, right? The value of fur color gets deleted. The properties of dog is not deleted, but the properties of fur color is deleted. This fur color, all right? Let's make it simpler. I call it color. You cannot access outside of the class color, right? Because this is a parameter. It's not actually a property. If I just change the name to fur color, this is still a parameter. It's not a property. This is not the same as this, right? So that's why. So how do I make this the same value as this? Well, this very clearly is a parameter right inside here. It comes from here to here. How do I make the value of the parameter equal to this value right here? And that's what happens when you say this dot fur color equals fur color. What you're just basically telling the system, let's format it, right click, format. What you're basically saying is, I want this parameter to be the value of this property, right? And so by saying this dot fur color equals fur color, this dot fur color equals this one right inside here. What is the this? The this refers to the object which you actually created with the class. So in other words, if you say something like right here, dog dot fur color, the this refers to the object you created. You created dog. The dog is the this. Okay, so you don't have to put dog.furColor because then it would be a little bit harder. It's easier just to write this on every single class that you create. So this.furColor is this property right here. This property right here has the value of this parameter. So it's that simple. So when you say this.x, we could do the same thing with if everything was x. This x. So it would be this.x equals x. And again, one last time, sorry for being redundant. All they're really saying is that the value of this property has the same value as the parameter, and that's why you have to declare it that way. Okay? So I hope that was clear. Thanks.